Hello, loves, and welcome to Bree's Project Book. If you are new to the channel, welcome, welcome. This channel is all about decorating, seasonal decor, hauls, DIYs, and organization. If you are a returning BPB member, welcome back, and thank you for being a loyal family member. So now let's get started. Welcome to Styl'n Fall Edition, where I share ideas and seasonal inspiration for your kitchen island. This fall season, I need to accomplish two things: provide the beautiful fall look I am accustomed to, and provide a space for my husband to work Monday through Friday. So I decided to go back to my roots for decorating in the minimalistic style. I'm not a practicing or extreme minimalist, but I do like to insert the look and function the minimalist style provides, and in this case, a workspace for my hubby by still giving me the fall look I admire. One of the tips I practice when creating a minimal tablescape is the decor pieces I choose. Depending on how large your canvas or space is, you can have up to several large pieces of decor to give your minimalistic tablescape interest and impact. Also, striking color in your design is another added factor. Here on the right side, you will find a vignette. I tried to include all those elements, starting with those gorgeous floral arrangement. Large in size and striking in colorful blooms, it has size and impact. The rich olive green color hydrangeas are gorgeous and plentiful. Large blooms overflow the glass and chrome vase. Next, to give the vignette shape and structure, I added a chrome contemporary lantern with a large glass hurricane to encase a battery-operated candle. The lantern sits on a two-mirrored riser for height that completes a beautiful lantern display that flows with the rest of the room. To provide softness and rich color, I added 3 velvet pumpkins in 3 different sizes. Perched against the lantern and the floral vase completes the beautiful vignette. Everything sits on a bed of black velvet cloth that complements the vignette as a whole. On the left side, there is another vignette, so let's take a look. Starting with the lanterns, both lanterns provide interesting angles in chrome and glass, striking when filled with gorgeous velvet pumpkins. The small lantern has 3 velvet pumpkins, smaller in size, but by no means less beautiful. In the colors of taupe, olive green, and black, the same colors as the pumpkins on the right side. It's all about balance, my friends, especially on such a large surface as this island. The large lantern creates a bigger statement, especially the very large olive green pumpkin that sits on a silver stand, creating a beautiful trio of pumpkins and lanterns. To give life on this side of the island, I added another element to the decor. An olive garland is wrapped around a wired form to create a gorgeous wreath. This wreath is hanging on a wreath hanger that adjusts in size. The lanterns, the pumpkins, and the wreath combines a beautiful vignette on the left side of the island. finish it off on our chairs, we have some beautiful pillows here. We have lumbar pillows that are made of that olive green material. Very, very pretty. Very simple, and this is used throughout the home for the fall, and you will see that in the fall tour. If you incline, please subscribe and stay a while and give me a comment of what you think so far. Well, that would do it for me, my friends. I hope you like what you've seen today, and I hope you appreciate the series that's going on fall into autumn, and I will see you on the next video. Don't forget to check out my YouTube community page where you will find any changes to my scheduled programming, upcoming series, and collaborations, or just to chat and say hello. Don't forget to check out the team. That's the Dream Team. We are a group of ladies who put together some beautiful collaborations for home decor and tablescapes for your enjoyment and inspiration. I will list their channels below, and here are their names here. So go check out their channels, and most of you probably are familiar with them, and subscribe. I know you won't be disappointed. They are some very talented sisters. If you love DIYs, decorating, organizing, and so much more, click the subscribe button and click the bell for new videos notification every week. Don't forget to visit my other social media platforms for ideas and tips to decorate, organize, or better your home living. Until the next time, my friends, smooches!